how to check who viewed your Instagram profile. So if you want to check who viewed your Instagram profile, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Instagram application. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, just go with your profile. Make sure that you have your professional dashboard. As of now, no, Instagram does not show you a list of people who visited your profile. And of course, just like in previous years, Instagram does not notify users of profile visits to protect the user privacy, not like TikTok or some other platforms. What you can see instead, you can just see Instagram stories, story viewers, and who saw your stories or who viewed your stories within 24 hours. And after that, the list disappears until and unless you save it to a highlight. Also, you can check the Instagram highlight views. It only shows like who viewed it in the first 24 hours after posting. After that, it will not display viewers. And also, you will be able to see the real view count, but not viewers exactly. You'll be able to see who liked it though. And also, if you have Instagram professional, like the business account, you can switch to a business account or create an account and you will get more analytics. You can go with your professional dashboard or your business dashboard and you will see how many people visit your profile, like a number, but not the name. You'll also see the impressions, the followers, like growth, and a lot of other stuff. But make sure to avoid third-party apps because they are either fake or scam and they will collect your data or Instagram login. And also they might get your account banned because no tool can give you this option at the moment. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to. So thanks for watching.